Hello dear friends, I am Amit Belekar from Tips and Tricks by AMB welcomes you to my channel. Before moving further, if you still didn't subscribe to my channel, please click on subscribe button and click on bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. In this presentation, we are going to discuss about selection of extraction process and enhancement of rate of extraction of crude drugs. After going through this video, the learner will be able to select process of extraction and enhance the rate of extraction. In some of my previous videos, we had already discussed that there are different types of extraction processes as infusion, decoction, digestion, maceration, percolation. Infusion, again it is divided into fresh infusion and concentrated infusion. Maceration is of three types: simple maceration, maceration with adjustments, and multiple maceration. Percolation is again divided into three types as simple percolation, percolation for concentrated preparations, and continuous percolation. Percolation for concentrated preparation is again divided into reserve percolation and modified percolation. Now question arises in mind, which process is selected from this variety of processes of extraction for a crude drug? For selection of extraction process, we have to consider some factors. Let's discuss these factors. So for selection of extraction process for extraction of crude drug, various factors should be considered as follows. First is nature or character of crude drug. Second is stability of drug. Third is therapeutic value of drug. Fourth is cost of the drug. Fifth is concentration of final product, and sixth is solvent or menstruum used. Let's discuss these factors one by one. First is nature or character of crude drug. Soft or spongy drugs can be easily penetrated by menstruum, while penetration of menstruum in hard drug is less. Thus, depending upon whether drug is soft or hard, we can select suitable method of extraction. Infusion process can be used if drug is very soft and easily penetrable. The soft drug which cannot be easily powdered like orange peel, lemon peel, gentian, etc. can be extracted by maceration method. Maceration is also preferred if drug is finely divided, as fine powder blocks the percolator. Example is fine powder of squill. It may block percolator, so we cannot select percolation process here. We can use maceration process. If drug is hard or brittle, which can be milled into the powder, it is extracted by percolation method. For example, Nux vomica, belladonna, ipecacuanha, and cascara. These are the drugs which can be extracted by percolation method. Next factor is stability of drug. When active constituents are volatile or thermolabile, extraction processes involving heat cannot be used for extraction, as due to heat, volatile constituents gets evaporated and thermolabile constituents may get degraded due to heat. In such case, drug can be extracted by maceration or percolation process in which heating is not required. Next factor is therapeutic value of drug. Therapeutic value of drug decides its cost. If drug is having considerable therapeutic value, that is, it is effective in some of the important diseases, maximum extraction is required. Such drugs are extracted with percolation process to remove all the active constituent from the drug. Drugs having less therapeutic value are extracted by maceration process. Another factor is cost of the drug. If active constituent is costly, drug should be extracted till all the drug gets exhausted. Such drugs are extracted with percolation process, while the drugs having cheap active constituent is extracted with maceration process. Next factor is concentration of final product. The dilute products like infusion or tincture are made by infusion or maceration process. For semi-concentrated preparations, concentrated infusion and multiple maceration process can be used. Concentrated liquid or solid extracts can be prepared by using percolation process. Last factor is solvent or menstruum used. If water is used as menstruum, maceration process is preferred. The percolation process is used if non-aqueous menstruum is used for extraction process. The solvent or menstruum used should have specific solvent action. That is, active constituent should be soluble in it. Then and then only we can use that menstruum. Gums and proteins precipitated at higher alcohol content. So hydroalcoholic mixture containing alcohol less than 45% should be used for their extraction. And if higher percent alcohol is used, these active constituents can get precipitate in the extract. If active constituents require solvent other than pure boiling solvent or requires mixture of solvents, reserve percolation process is preferred and continuous hot extraction process is avoided in this case. Now question arises in mind, how can we enhance the rate of extraction? We can enhance the rate of extraction by considering following factors like size reduction, temperature, agitation and imbibition. Let's discuss how these factors are related to rate of extraction. First is size reduction. Size reduction leads to increase in surface area. Here you can see a cube having 1 mm dimensions having surface area of 1.5 mm square. Cut it 3 times to form 8 small cubes and separate them. Now surface area becomes 12 mm square. So as we reduce size, surface area increases. It leads to enhancement in rate of extraction. After size reduction due to milling, cell wall which act as barrier ruptures and exposes active constituents to the menstruum. It also enhances the rate of extraction. But fine powder interfere with clarification of extract and may block the percolator. Also, if drug containing volatile principles are subjected to size reduction, it leads to loss of volatile principles. Thus, such substances should not be subjected to size reduction. Next, we have to give emphasis on temperature. Temperature improves rate of extraction by various ways. First, it increases solubility of active constituents in menstruum. We already know that sugar is rapidly soluble in hot water than cold water. Temperature also increases rate of diffusion of menstruum in the cellular structure. Thus, menstruum rapidly enters in the cell and dissolves the active principle. Temperature also produces movement of menstruum as menstruum at the surface become cool and heavy and moves down, and hot menstruum moves up. Thus, it leads to agitation of menstruum, which also improves rate of extraction. But temperature cannot be used for extraction of thermolabile substances, as thermolabile substances degrade due to the heating. Next factor is agitation. Agitation is responsible for movement of menstruum. It breaks the diffusion layer of menstruum formed around crude drug and allow contact of fresh menstruum with drug. Thus it increases rate of extraction. Now last but not the least factor which improves rate of extraction is imbibition. Moistening of drug before extraction is called as imbibition. It increases rate of extraction. When drug is placed in contact with water or hydroalcoholic menstruum, it swells and becomes soft. It overcomes toughness of closely packed cellular network and improves penetration of menstruum as well as escape of solution. Addition of surface active agent can be used as alternative to the imbibition. It improves wettability of crude drug and improves contact of drug with the menstruum. Now it's time to summarize today's session. We had discussed that for selection of extraction processes, we have to consider factors like nature or character of crude drug, stability of drug, therapeutic value of drug, cost of the drug, concentration of final product, and solvent or menstruum used. Then we had discussed that rate of extraction can be enhanced by modifying some factors like size reduction, temperature, agitation, and imbibition. Thank you for listening me patiently. If you like this presentation, please click on subscribe button and bell icon to get notifications of all my new videos. Like it and share it to your dear ones. Drop your queries in comments or on my mail address which is given in the video. Thank you once again.